Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abhay and today we're exploring what's new in the camera app with iOS 26. And I'll be showing you everything right here on my iPhone so you'll exactly see how it works. So let's jump right in. So when you open the camera app, the first thing you'll notice is that it's streamlined. You'll get two main big modes, photo and video. If you swipe or tap on the mode wheel, you'll reveal the additional modes like portrait, panorama, slow-mo, etc. Next, look at the top of the screen. There's a new grid style button that opens up your settings like flash, timer, aspect ratio, photographic styles and more. So instead of going deep into menus, you can now customize the controls right here. You can reorder them if you would like, or you can even hide the ones you don't generally use. Here's a pro tip. Spend a minute arranging these controls so your favorite tools, for example, night mode or exposure, are right where you expect them. Up next, photographic styles and exposure control. On the photo mode, tap the grid button and choose style. Pick something like vivid or bright. On iPhone, you will see the preview change right before you shoot. Then, I want to show you how the mode wheel works for video. Open video and then tap resolution or frame rate indicator and switch between 4K 30fps, 4K 60fps or 1080p depending on your settings. Experiment by filming something static and then something in motion and notice how fluid the result is. So if you're using an iPhone, updating to iOS 26 gives you a more intuitive and efficient camera app. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.